Rug cleaning steps by professionals of Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne. If you are looking forward to cleaning rugs and stay safe, Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne is the name to turn to. Not only are our Melbourne rug cleaning professionals the best in the business, but they also ensure to keep COVID-19 at bay. What steps do they take? Remove the dry soil particles. Precondition the rugs. Prepare solutions. Use shampoo. Speed dry. The solutions they prepare are in line with the COVID cleaning norms. They would use hospital and industry-grade eco-friendly cleaning products to prepare the solution. Thus you see, we are the best with a spot cleaning professional rug cleaning service in Melbourne. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.